My ForeverSmile journey started like this. I had a dentist before I was going to for years, and they mentioned that my teeth needed the crowns. And then this has probably been told to me, started maybe about 10 years ago, and I just never did it. Just was hearing about it, just time goes by and you don't do it. And then I saw one of the ForeverSmile videos on Instagram and decided to come in for a consultation. We just started talking about it and decided to do it the same day. Because 10 years ago, my original dentist, not here, that I was going for, said that my teeth were, because of the not besides my grinding issues over the years. I didn't know I was grinding. It was too late, but a narrower mouth guard. But he said the way they were growing there, and eventually I needed some type of reconstruction. They're going to start popping out over the years. So, meeting Phil, Dr. Phil DeVore, meeting with him with his consultation, and then it was just the right time to do it. My teeth took a beating over the year. I was always into eating very well, juices, but I got this horrible habit. I'm 53 in my 30s, eating a lemon a day. Like, who would do that, Drew? Again, I was very self-conscious at pictures. My mouth was always closed in pictures. At the end results, after 30 days of, I think 30 days of temporary crowns, and then I've had these, the permanent ones in 30 days, it's been definitely worth it, 100%. I'm very happy. People are very impressed. They can't believe, they keep looking, but they can't believe it's real. I'm learning this because I wasn't smiling. If you go back over the years, I don't smile in my pictures. So now I've been smiling. I'm like, I didn't know how to smile. I was like, I'm like, wait, I forgot how to smile. So now my smiles are kind of different because I'm changing around. People get scared, I think, right? I would assume people are scared because people don't like dentists, and this is an elective procedure, right? So, but at the end of the day, your smile, it is a lot in your face. It's a lot cosmetically, and your self-confidence, and I think overall.